полетел. Ой, ё-моё! Сейчас придет волна. Нихера себе!
Explosions can cause widespread destruction, not just from the initial blast, but also from the shockwave that follows. The shockwave is a powerful blast of air that emanates from the explosion and travels at supersonic speeds, pushing aside anything in its path. As the explosion occurs, it creates a rapidly expanding sphere of compressed air that moves outward from the center of the blast. The shockwave can travel through any medium, including air, water, and solid objects like buildings and walls. When the shockwave reaches an object, it applies a sudden pressure that can cause damage or destruction. Scientists measure the force of a shockwave in pounds per square inch psi. The higher the psi, the more destructive the shockwave can be. Explosions and their shockwaves can cause serious injuries and fatalities, as well as extensive damage to property and infrastructure. Knowing how explosion shockwaves work can help us better prepare for their potential impact and mitigate their effects.
C'est le gars qui est là-dedans.